Won't give you up.
What's up, guys? Helena, LA Ram here, and my sister
Helena.
And for today's video, we're going on a trip. We're going to our province. So let's go to our car. 3, 2, 1. Peace. See you later at the van. So guys, we're back here in the. So we're here now in the van. So here's my sister. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
And we're going on a trip now. We're going to Ilocos, which is our province.
Sa likod mo. Yan.
And we're just sitting in our bed.
Alisin mo yung ano mo.
A bit, we're just going now.
Yung bag mo sa likod.
Guys.
Ano yung kumot mo? Na Hello Kitty. Ano? At saan yung Hello Kitty? Ito yung kumot ah.
Ito ba yun?
Hindi dito kayo.
Oh.
Skip. Lalaman na kayo. So guys, we're here now. We're just here at the
May suka.
station. May suka. Tita Kit, may suka po. The station. Let's go to see her. Just peek. Starbucks. No, kasi mama. Ay. May baby wipes. Where? Mommy, baby wipes.
That's bad. Doon tayo sa kabila. Ito na. Okay na.
Ate, put the gem. Put the gem. Yeah. Ayan na ate. May nung CCR. You're in a car now. With
We're
a
eating
fan.
spaghetti.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Helena.
Sabi mo
It's raining out here now. As
Yeah.
you can see. You want to see outside, guys?
Yep. I thought this is.
Do you saw that, guys? That is the word rain.
Yep. And
Okay.
this is our driver.
Yeah.
Mary.
Say hi. And this is our tita. Tita Kate.
Yeah, hello.
And this is our another driver. His name is Kuya Fex. And this is our tawag dito?
The assistant.
Helper? Kuya Lord. Ay, Kuya. Ate Lourdes.
Ang ginaw.
And this is the radio.
And this is the spaghetti. Yippee.
And we're just
Because we
waiting.
go-
We're just waiting for my family. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
We're eating spaghetti.
They're out there in the wild. They're
It's wet, guys. My goodness.
yeah, guys. It's so
The
wet.
camera full. The camera's it's
The camera is wet.
Yeah. So guys, our hotel is just for
Yeah.
Marina.
And tomorrow maybe, or at
Our villa will go at our villa.
or at shut up.
Shut up.
Or at Saturday morning we're going to go to our villa.
Yeah,
You know what
we'll
I'm saying?
swim.
You know what I'm saying? We're going to swim.
Hey, don't that camera because the camera will.
I'll just pinch my sister and she'll go in the back seat.
Okay.
Okay? 3, 2, 1. Wait. Here. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ow.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God! What happened? The
And-
camera.
The magic trick won't work. So,
That's not working.
and so many cars down. You guys can see. And it's
I need
raining.
the charger.
It's so hard raining here.
Yeah. But it's just little raining, but later it's will lakas because it's weather. I think that the weather will